Morning Glory, Ipomea, is a beautiful flowering vine known for its vibrant, trumpet-shaped blossoms that open in the morning, adding a touch of elegance to any garden or landscape. If you're looking to grow Morning Glory from seeds and witness its enchanting blooms firsthand, this step-by-step guide will provide you with the knowledge and tips to successfully cultivate this stunning vine. Seed selection. Start by selecting high-quality Morning Glory seeds. Look for a reputable seed supplier or consider collecting seeds from mature Morning Glory plants. Choose a variety that suits your preferences, as Morning Glory blooms come in an array of colors, including shades of blue, purple, pink, and white. Preparing the soil. Morning Glory thrives in well-draining soil with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Prepare the planting area by removing any weeds or debris. Loosen the soil and amend it with organic matter, such as compost or well-rotted manure, to improve fertility and drainage. Sowing the seeds. Sow the Morning Glory seeds directly into the soil after the last frost date in your region. Create small holes or furrows about 1/4 inch deep and space them 6 to 12 inches apart. Depending on the variety, place 2 to 3 seeds in each hole and cover them lightly with soil. Water gently to ensure good seed-to-soil contact. Providing optimal conditions. Morning Glory thrives in full sun, so choose a location that receives at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Water the newly planted seeds regularly to keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Supporting the vines. Morning Glory vines are climbers that require support as they grow. Install trellises, fences, or stakes near the plants to provide a structure for the vines to climb. Ensure the support is sturdy and tall enough to accommodate the growth of the vines, which can reach up to 10 feet or more. Pruning and training. To encourage healthy growth and prolific blooming, lightly prune the Morning Glory vines as needed. Pinch back the tips to encourage branching and bushier growth. Train the vines to climb the support structure, gently guiding them as they grow. Fertilization. Morning Glory plants generally do not require heavy fertilization. However, you can apply a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer once a month during the growing season to promote vigorous growth and blooming. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for proper application. Enjoying the blooms. With proper care and attention, your Morning Glory plants will reward you with stunning blooms. The flowers typically open in the morning and close in the afternoon, adding a vibrant splash of color to your garden. Take time to appreciate the beauty and fragrance of these captivating blossoms.